So we were Android here. So, Huawei is a very large company that manufactures different types of tech-related equipment and gadgets. Well, apart from the telecommunication equipment like smartphones and laptops, the company was also a great player in the chip manufacturing industry. Yes, Huawei was among few companies which had its own chipsets, just like Apple have M1 Bionic chip from Silicon. Huawei had current chipsets, and guys, honestly, current chipsets were one of the best smartphone chipsets out there. It was fast, efficient and reliable than most other chipsets on that time. I still remember when I used to look for fast smartphones through YouTube speed test videos, Huawei phones were always the fastest among all. However, the company had to put a hold on the production of current chipsets and all other chips thanks to the sanctions from the United States government. However, here is the biggest news of all time. Well, according to a report from Huawei Central, Huawei's chip design company HiSilicon may have found a way out to start the production of its own chipset. And if this is true, the company may get back to the business as early as this year. So how this gonna work? Well, according to the information, some old Huawei chipset solutions will get back to life this year. Well, these businesses include Ascend, Kunpeng, Tangang and Balong. Yes, if you still remember, these were the chipsets Huawei was using back there in its phones. Well, the company had to put a hold on the production of these chips due to the US sanctions. However, the company has found a way to restart production of these new chipsets. So, does it mean the current chipsets are returning? Well, the answer is yes. According to the latest news, Huawei is unveiling the current A2 chipset in the third, or you can say the fourth quarter of this year, and this chipset will only work for the wearables, not for the phones. However, the current chipsets for the phones are also expected to unveil in the last quarter of this year, as Huawei already found a solution to the problem related to the chipsets. So I think the Chinese tech giant is slowly getting back to the track. So what do you think about it? Well, let me know in the comments down below. And as always, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.